Good morning all of you. I am Rajni Madhukar once again for you for your EVS lecture. Student, in the last lecture we will discuss about the chapter number 3 that is related to sense organ. I explained you so many things in this chapter. Okay. In the last chapter what we will discuss? Which thing I explained you in the last lecture? In the last lecture we discussed about the function of the and structure of the sense organs. Okay, eyes I already explained you. After that I explain you about the ears. What is the structure of the ears? I once again revise for you. Okay student, if you attend my lecture please keep your book with you. Okay, बुक अपने पास रखो हमेशा ओपन करके. क्लियर? नाउ ओपन द पेज नंबर 16. 16. आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट थिंग इन द लास्ट लेक्चर. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ईयर, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द नोज, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द टंग एंड हाउ शुड वी take care of the sense organ, means how should we take care of our ears, how should we take care of our nose, how should we take care of our tongue. Okay, this thing I already explained you, but once again I revise for you this thing. Now structure of the ears, there will be 3 parts in the ears. First is outer ear. What is the function of outer ear? Outer ear collect the sound waves, means receiving the sound waves. Okay, suppose any voice come from this side, your this side, so you automatically react from this side na, if somebody want to ask you something or want to talk with you. Okay, and suppose any voice come from this side, so you suddenly react this side na, you turn your face this side and talk with the people. You say what do you want, क्या कहना है, बोलो. You react like this na. So this work done for the which part of your ear? Outer part. Okay, now the second part is when the outer ear collect the are receiving the sounds, after that it sended to which part of your ear? That is eardrums. Eardrums present in the inside of your ears. Okay, so through that eardrums, that sound sended to which part of your ear? That is the middle part. Okay, middle part collect that sound, and after that it sended to the brain, and automatically brain send the message to particular part of your body. Okay, clear? Means suppose your mummy give you any work, I tell you please keep this bottle there. Okay, keep this bottle that side or that on that table. इस bottle को उस table पे रख दो. Okay, तो how you react? First you collect the voice sound waves from the outer ear, and your eardrum, those are present to inside of your ear. That eardrums send the message to which part of your ear? Middle ear. And middle ear send the message to brain, and your brain send the message to your hand. Okay, and your leg. You go and keep that bottle in your hand and kept it on the table. Okay, so all the sense organ connect with the brain. Is it clear? Now how we should take care of our ear? So we should use clean, and if you want to clean your ears, so you should use cotton bud. I already explained you. Use clean towel, okay, or handkerchief to clean your ears. If any problem in your ear, you should contact with your doctor. Okay, now after that, nose. What is the function of the nose? The nose help us to breathe and smell the different types of fragrance. Okay, now the part of the nose is, that is the nostril, and now the ending part is there, that is the upper part. Okay, this part already connect with your brain and your internal part, means air pipe. Okay, and connect with the lungs. Clear? Now when you are suffering from the cold, अगर आपको सर्दी होगी, that time that part, okay, upper side of your nose choke with the which thing, cough. Okay, and that time you have no sense of smell. उस समय आपको कुछ भी फ्रेग्रेंस या किसी भी चीज़ की स्मेल नहीं आती जब आपको सर्दी होती है. ओके, वाई? ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज योर अपर साइड ऑफ द नोज इज चोक्ड बाय द कफ. ओके, नाउ एंड यू कैन नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली. ओके, ब्रीथिंग प्रोसेस भी आपकी डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है. क्लियर? एंड वन थिंग ऑल्सो गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, हाउ we should take care of our nose. Breathe, first point, breathe through nose. Why this point given? I explain you, because there are so many small hairs inside of your nose that protect your nose from the dust, dirt and germs. Okay, now keep your nostril clean, means this part, nostril, ये वाला part से हमेशा साफ रखना चाहिए. Okay, now to clean a blocked nose, inhale inhale and exhale. Inhale means you take air inside of your body, okay, through the nose, and exhale means take out the air. Okay, we inhale which gas in our body? Which? O2, oxygen, and exhale CO2, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हम लेते कौन सी हैं? ऑक्सीजन. एंड एक्सेल बाहर कौन सी निकालते हैं हमारी बॉडी से? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, दिस इज द टू टर्म्स ऑफ द साइंस, इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. सांस लेना और सांस बाहर निकालना, ये हिंदी में हो गया. ओके, हमारी सामान्य भाषा में हो गया. लेकिन बट इन द साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज वी यूज टू टर्म्स, इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. इनहेल मीन्स take air inside of your body. Exhale means you should take out the air from your body. Okay, this is the two terms. Now after that, tongue. I also explain you different parts of the tongue, and I draw here one diagram on the board, and we divide our tongue into different parts. Okay, and what is present in our tongue? The taste bud is present on our tongue. Okay, and this taste bud, through that taste bud we should identify the which thing? Taste of the food item. Okay, now this part, front part, help us to which types of food और which types of taste? sour, जो थोड़ा तीखा होता है. ओके, now after that this part help us to identify the sweet thing. If the food item is sweet, तो this part of our tongue help us to taste that thing. I once again draw here. This part help us to sour, this is sweet. Now this middle part help us to taste bitter food item, and last part is help us to identify the salty things. Okay, नमकीन चीजें हम जो खाते हैं. I explained you in the last lecture this part. Now okay, I explained you this thing. We will already discuss about that na. Now the next part, okay, skin. How? This is the last sense organ of your body. Okay, and our whole body covered with which thing? Our skin. Okay, now The color of the skin is depend on the one pigment those are found in our skin. The name of that pigment is melanin. Okay, if people with more melanin in their skin, they have dark complexion, means उनका स्किन का कलर कैसा होता है, डार्क, काला होता है ना. एंड some have very fair color. तो such types of people have less quantity of the melanin. उनकी स्किन में मेलानिन कम होता है, तो वो गोरे होते हैं. ओके, क्लियर. नाउ see the page number 16. The skin is the outermost covering of our body. It protects our internal organs. It has tiny nerves ending that help us to sense heat, cold and pain. It also helps us to regulate our body temperature. Okay. Now what is the function of our skin? Skin, first our skin protect our body parts. Okay, those are inside of our body, means जो अंदर की तरफ है हमारी बॉडी के. तो whole that part covered with the skin. Okay. Now the second, it has tiny nerves ending that help us to sense heat. Okay. Our whole body connect with which part? Brain, by the nerves. Okay, this thing given in the next line. Clear. Now through that sense, that nerves, we should feel which thing? Heat, cold. Okay, suppose अगर गर्म पानी में आप हाथ डाल दोगे तो क्या होगा? You suddenly your skin react about that water ना. अगर आपको आइस लगाओगे तो कैसा लगेगा? ठंडा ठंडा लगता है ना. ओके, तो दिस थिंग हाउ दिस थिंग हैपन थ्रू योर स्किन. ओके. नाउ कोल्ड एंड पेन ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. इफ ऐसे अगर करेंगे स्किन में तो क्या होगा? थोड़ा सा दर्द होगा ना. ओके, तो थ्रू योर स्किन वी शुड फील हीट, कोल्ड, पेन. Okay, this thing. It also help us to regulate our body temperature. Okay, our skin also maintain our body temperature. Okay, I give you simple example. Suppose anybody suffering from the fever, अगर किसी को बहुत बुखार आ रहा है, तेज बुखार. Okay, and that temperature is very high. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर टेम्परेचर सडनली अचानक बढ़ जाता है, अगर आप घर पर हैं और डॉक्टर के पास जाने में टाइम लगेगा, तो सिंपल एग्जाम्पल आई गिव यू. यू शुड टेक कोल्ड वाटर, ठंडा पानी लो और अब पूरी बॉडी पे डाल लो. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली योर टेम्परेचर मेंटेन आर बिकम लो, अगर कुछ कम हो जाता है टेम्परेचर. ओके, एंड दिस थिंग हैपन विथ मी, विथ माई सन. आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, रियल एग्जाम्पल. व्हेन माई सन अबाउट 2 years, जब मेरा बेटा 2 साल का था, उसे बहुत तेज़ बुखार आया. ओके, जब मैं उसको डॉक्टर के पास लेती गई, उसका टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई था उसकी बॉडी का. डॉक्टर ने कहा कि आपने इतनी देर तक उसको क्यों रखा घर पे? मैंने सोचा वो ठीक हो जाएगा, है ना. लेकिन जब डॉक्टर के पास गई ना, तो उसको डॉक्टर ने वो बड़ी सी ट्रे में लेटा दिया और उसके ऊपर ठंडा पानी डाला उसकी बॉडी पर, तो उसका रोना थोड़ा कम हुआ. तो आई गिव यू रियल एग्जाम्पल, मैं आपको रियल एग्जाम्पल बता रही हूँ. ओके, तब जब भी आपकी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है तो आप क्या करोगे? खुले कपड़े पहनना चाहिए, मीन्स कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनने चाहिए, और जितना कम ढकेंगे बॉडी को उतनी जल्दी हमारा फीवर ख़त्म होता है. ओके, क्लियर. नाउ टेक केयर ऑफ द स्किन. दिस थिंग गिवन इन द पेज नंबर 16. ओके. 1. Take bath daily. Why we should take bath daily? Because our skin become dirty na, so much dirt, dust is there. Okay, in the daily routine whatever we done, so that time we should become very untidy. Okay, for the cleaning of that thing we should take bath daily. Now the page number 17. Next thing, use a good quality soap to remove dirt and sweat from the skin. Okay, if you want to take a bath, to use soap, and if you want to wash your hair, to use shampoo for that. Now dry yourself with a clean towel after taking a bath. Means after when you take a bath, after that you have to rub your skin with towel, means dry properly. Okay, wear comfortable clothes and use a moisturizer to keep your skin soft. Okay, now means if you take bath, after that you also apply the any cream na in your body. Okay, why you use that cream? Because when you take bath, after that your skin become dry and your skin needs some care. Okay, that's why you have to use moisturizer on your body. Do not neglect any cut or wound on the skin. Means अगर आपको कहीं चोट लगी है तो उसको निगलेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. Why? क्योंकि उसमें आगे जाके इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है स्किन में, जो आपके इंटरनल पार्ट्स को भी डैमेज कर सकता है. ओके, तो दिस इज द केयर ऑफ द स्किन. एंड विच थिंग प्रेजेंट इन ऑन योर स्किन, दैट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल for the color of your skin. Which thing, which pigment present in your skin, that pigment give the color of your skin. The name of that pigment is melanin. Okay, now another thing also given in your textbook. Student, here we completed the function of the sense organs. I explained you all the things. Okay, now next thing given, differently abled people. Now listen, God, I simply give you example beta. Okay, God give us a body. Okay, we have our own body, 2 hands, we work with them, 2 legs, we walk with them. Okay, see, eyes, your eyes work properly, your nose work properly, your tongue works properly, your ears also works properly. Means whatever I delivered you in the lecture, you listen, you have to watch me. Okay, clear? And you react in my lecture कि मैम सही बोल रही है, गलत बोल रही है, ऐसा बोल रही है, वैसा बोल रही है, आप बोलते हो ना. ओके, क्लियर? मीन्स गॉड गिव यू ऑल द थिंग्स परफेक्टली. एंड इज इट क्लियर? मतलब भगवान ने हमें सब कुछ अच्छा दिया है. 2 आँखें दी है देखने के लिए, बोलने के लिए जबान दी है. ओके, दी है ना, मतलब हमारी बॉडी अच्छे से फंक्शन कर रही है. ओके, अगर आप 2 मिनट के लिए आंखें बंद कर लोगे, इफ यू क्लोज योर आईज लाइक दिस, कैन यू सी एनीथिंग? क्या आपको कुछ दिख रहा है? नो, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा ना. ओपन योर आईज, कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, अगर हम ऐसे हमारे कान बंद कर लें, कुछ सुनाई देगा? नहीं देगा ना. ओके, सपोज एक बार सोचो कि ये जो हमारी टंग है वो है ही नहीं. आर यू एबल टू स्पीक विदाउट योर टंग? वी हैव टू स्पीक some words. Okay, now so this heading related to differently abled people, means God give us all the things. See on the page number 70, what given? I read for you one line and understand that line, what the chapter want to say you. ओके, इस पार्ट में आपको क्या कहना चाहते हैं हम लोग, या क्या है कहा हुआ. ओके, ऑल ऑफ अस आर बोर्न विथ डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज. means okay. Some of us are good in acting, okay. Some are good in drawing, okay. In our class also na, that is 4 diamond. There are some students means Mishika, okay, and Ira, and Avika, Akshita, and Ashna, okay, Ashi, and Ishita, okay. And all the girls are good in the drawing na. And some students, boys also, Purvesh, Madhur, and this side Shriji, all the boys, they are means Daksha Devle, Daksha Kshetre, okay, they are in the good in the drawing. आप पेंटिंग अच्छी बनाते हैं ये बच्चे. And some students have good handwriting, means Ashi, Ashna, okay. These students writing very well. Mishika, now these also good in the drawing, okay. And most of the student of this class good in the reading, writing and painting, okay. Why I told you this thing, means this is your abilities. All of you, मैंने जिनके नाम नहीं लिए वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, ओके. बिकॉज यू आर अ ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, आप पढ़ाई में सभी अच्छे हो, ओके. एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स, अदर सेक्शन स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, क्लास 4th रूबी, 4th एमरल्ड, they are good listener, good reader, good writer, okay. Means this is your ability, clear. Now why I told you this thing, because there are some people who have good sense of touch and smell. कुछ लोगों में सेंस मीन्स टच का, किसी भी चीज को छूकर बता देंगे, ओके. एंड स्मेल, सूंघ कर भी बता देंगे. बट दे कैन नॉट सी आर हियर वेल, लेकिन वो देख नहीं सकते. सपोज आप आंखें बंद करके कोई पेंटिंग बना सकते हो. कैन यू ड्रॉ एनी पेंटिंग विथ क्लोज्ड आइज? नो. If you want to write, if you want to read, if you want to walk, if you want to eat. Now for the eating, anybody give you food item, you have it. But for the reading, writing, okay, and for the painting, you need your eyes, okay. But some people have don't eyes, मतलब उनकी आंखें नहीं होती है. They are blind, okay. And we don't say them blind people, okay. We give them name. The name, such a types of people, those we cannot see, okay. So we give them name. That is the visually challenged. Visually challenged. Okay, this word given in this paragraph. We read after the few minutes. Now, once again I read for you this paragraph. All of us, differently abled people, all of us are born with different abilities. Okay, I explained you. Now, some of us are good in acting, some are good in drawing and painting, and some are good in speaking. Okay. Some are give the lecture or some are explain all the things very nicely, okay. And some are good in acting, some are good in dance. For the dance we want 2 legs, हमें डांस करने के लिए पाँव की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, okay. Now but some people are disabled, कुछ लोगों के पास ये चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं, तो हम we say the name differently abled people, okay. They have another quality. Now some people there are some people who have very good sense of touch or smell, but they cannot see or hear well. Okay, those people are not listen properly or see anything, means they have some problem for the visibility. Okay, उन्हें दिखाई नहीं देता है. Okay, but they have another quality, the sense of touch and smell. Suppose anybody cannot see properly or not see, अंधा है जो व्यक्ति, blind people. Okay, we give them anything for the touching. If he know the name of that thing, automatically he say this is book, you give me book. Okay, means अगर आप 1 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, अगर 1 गिलास पानी दोगे वो ठंडा होगा, अगर चिल्ड वाटर. ओके, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ही रिएक्ट, ये पानी ठंडा है. ओके, हाउ दे नो? बिकॉज दे हैव नो आइज बट दे हैव सेंस ऑफ टच. ओके, एंड सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. पीपल हु कैन नॉट सी आर कॉल्ड विजुअली चैलेंज्ड पीपल. Okay, people those who cannot see are called visually challenged people. Okay, they use their acute sense of touch or to read and write. Okay, for this types of people become able to read and write. Okay, now they use a special system known as Braille for reading. For the reading, people those have visually challenged, they also learn reading and writing. Okay, now we are the normal people, we like and read normal books like this way. Word is in front of us and we will start reading. But those people who cannot see, they have a special language. Okay, the name of that language is Braille. Okay, Braille script. This script made by the Louis Braille, the name of that person, they invent that thing. Okay, Louis Braille. He invented the script for the visually challenged people. Okay, for the reading and writing. उन्होंने जो visually challenged people है, blind peoples के लिए एक script बनाया. Okay, they touch the words and know the spelling. Okay, for that he made a board, that board given in this side, see in your book. Okay, this is formed by the dot से बना हुआ है. Okay, blind people, those are the visually challenged people, they touch the board, that word. Okay, and dot and identify the word. Okay, now next thing, what given in the paragraph? Third line, they use a special system of touch to read and write. They use a special system known as the Braille for reading. For the reading, they use a Braille script. Okay, it is a special kind of code where 6 raised dots are arranged in a particular pattern. Okay, see, for the making of each and every word, the Braille use 6 dot. Okay, and suppose if the blind people want to read A, so he made first dot bigger than other dot. Okay, so blind people know now this is A, they touch, only touch that word like this way, A. Now B, for the B, he made two dots, first and second, first line, first and second dot bigger than other dots, means blind people touched it and know that this is B. Okay, now same way C, D, like this way he made this board for the blind people. Okay, in the nursery class you write all the words like this way, A, B, C, D, but blind people not able to write, only they read the things. How they read? Through that braille script. Okay, means the blind people touch it like this way. Okay, no, this is A. After that B, C, D, they learn this thing very slowly, but after the sometimes they able to read all the things. Okay, clear now? And this script made by the Louis Braille into 1824. The name of that scientist is Louis Braille. Louis Braille in the 1824 invented the reading skill for the blind people. Those are the differently abled people. Okay, now see the line number 6. Each pattern represent a letter of the alphabet. Okay, I already explained you. See here, if the blind people want to read B, for the each word Louis used 6 dot. Okay, but he made 1 or 2 or 3 dot bigger than other dots. Okay, so through that the blind people touch that dot and identify the word, means this is A. Their teacher also give them practice, means touch this word like this way. They have closed eyes, they touch like this way. Okay, suppose first dot is bold, means they know this is A. Now after that, if he want to identify the B, the teacher give them practice. Touch this word 1 and 2. Second number dot is bigger than other, means this is B. So again and again they touch the dots and identify the letters. Okay, like this way. But we are able to read, na? They don't have ability to reading. Like this way they do the practice again and again and identify the words. After that their teacher give them practice to how you make the spelling. Okay, after that they give them words, means C, A, T, K. So he identify the dots. Okay, C, now A and T. So he identify the dots, how many dots bigger, and through that they know the spelling. Okay, so this is for the differently abled people, visually challenged people. They learn reading for them, which through which script? Braille script. Okay, clear? Now the next line. Each pattern represents a letter of the alphabet. Visually challenged people can read them by moving their fingers. I showed you that thing like this way, they keep their finger. Okay, on the raised dot. The Braille system was devised by Louis Braille in 1824. Louis Braille was himself a programs for the hearing impaired. Differently abled people are just like us. We should always be ready to help them. Okay, student, this is given in this paragraph. Okay, differently abled people means those have a extra quality, means they have some disabilities, means they not listen properly, they do not speak properly, okay, not hear properly, but they have some other sense, advanced sense, okay, touching, by the touching, by the smelling, okay, by the hearing, they identify the things. Okay, suppose those people are visually challenged, they listen the voice and know the name of the people. Okay, clear? Now for the reading, for the visually challenged people, for the reading, the Louis Braille invented a script. The name of that script is Louis Braille, and this is the pattern of the dots. Okay, this is the pattern of the dot. Through that dot, the different visually challenged people identify the letters. Okay, and after that, they through that, first they know the word. Okay, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. After that, the teacher give them practice. They start spelling. Now like your after LKG, in LKG class you have to learn the spellings na, CAT cat, BAT bat, DOG dog. Like this way they are start their spellings. First they know the alphabets, after that. Okay, clear? Now this is the differently abled people. Clear? And how we should behave with them? We should help them. Okay, because they are the differently abled people and they have some disabilities, so we should help them. Okay students, now in this chapter, once again I revise for you. In this chapter what we done? Our sense organ, we will discuss about them. All the things I explained you. What is the meaning of the sense? What is the meaning of the organs? Name of the sense organ. In our body there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. What is the function of the eyes? Eyes help us to see the world. Okay. Now next, our ears help us to listen. Now and also balance our body. Okay. Now the next sense organ is nose. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Okay. Next sense organ are tongue. Tongue help us to identify the taste. Okay. Next sense organ is skin. Skin help us to know the surrounding and also maintain the temperature of our body. Clear? Next thing given in our, and how we should take care of our sense organ. I also explained you that thing. Now next thing given in your chapter is differently abled people, means those have an extra sense of touch and smell. Okay, but they cannot speak properly, are not hear properly, are not see properly. Okay, so they have other advantages in their body. Which thing? Sense of smell or sense of touch. Okay, and in this chapter only given about which type of people? Visually challenged people, means those are not see properly or they cannot able to see. Okay, means blind people. And for such a types of people, now we are the एबल्ड पीपल ना, तो वी रीड दिस ऑल द थिंग्स लाइक दिस वे, आप सभी चीज़ें ऐसे पढ़ सकते हो. बट पीपल दोज आर द विजुअली चैलेंज्ड. फॉर डेट लुइस ब्रेल मेड अ स्क्रिप्ट. ओके, द नेम ऑफ डेट स्क्रिप्ट इज लुइस ब्रेल, ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट. ओके, ओनली ब्रेल. In this types of script he made a board, alphabet board. Okay, and he used 6 dot for each letter. Okay, सभी word के लिए उन्होंने 6 dot लिए, but he made 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot or suppose 4 dot bolder or bigger than others and make particular word. Means for the A he make bigger 1 dot and other are the as usual. Okay, means blind people touch them like this and he know the alphabet, means this is A. For the B, he make bold 2 dots. If those are the blind people, they touch like this way and identify, means this is B. Okay, in the same way he make all the alphabet in this form. Blind people touch them and identify the words. After that he start making spellings. Okay, like this way he able to reading. Clear? He become to able to reading the words. Clear? Now students, here I end my lecture and also explanation of this chapter. Chapter number 3, explanation part over. Clear? Now you have to read this chapter once again, chapter number 3 at home. Okay, now after that I end my lecture. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.